A sunny morning with Emma. It is early in the morning. The sky is light blue, and the birds sing happily. Emma wakes up at 6:30 a.m. when her alarm clock rings. She smiles and stretches her arms. Emma feels happy because she loves the start of a new day. After getting out of bed, Emma walks to the bathroom. She brushes her teeth carefully with her toothbrush and toothpaste. Brush, 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 she hums as she cleans her teeth. Then she washes her face with warm water, and the mirror shows her bright, smiling face. Now Emma feels fresh and ready for the day. Emma moves to the kitchen next. Her small kitchen is cozy and inviting. On the table, there was a bowl of mixed fruit, a glass of milk, and a plate with a slice of toast. Emma loves a healthy breakfast, so she sits down and enjoys her fruit and toast slowly. As she eats, she says, "Good morning, breakfast," with a cheerful laugh. While enjoying her meal, Emma looks out the window. The sun is rising, and the sky is painted with soft pinks and oranges. She thinks about what the day might bring. Today, she will work on a fun project at the community center and later meet her friend Sam. After breakfast, Emma goes back to her room to choose her outfit for the day. She picks a comfortable dress in her favorite color, blue, which reminds her of the clear sky. Looking in the mirror, she smiles and says, "I look nice today." Once dressed, Emma returns to the kitchen to make herself a cup of tea. She fills a small pot with water and places it on the stove. As she waits for the water to boil, she sits at the table and reads a small book about places around the world. The gentle bubbling of the kettle makes her feel calm. When the water is ready, Emma carefully pours it into her favorite blue mug. She adds a little honey, and the tea smells sweet and warm. Emma takes a quiet moment to sip her tea slowly, enjoying the peaceful start before the day's busyness begins. With her tea finished, Emma prepares to leave. She packs a small bag with a notebook, a pen, and her mobile phone. Checking the weather on her phone, she sees it will be a sunny day. Excited by her plans, she leaves her house, locking the door behind her. Outside, the street is calm and welcoming. Emma feels the fresh morning air and a cool breeze on her face as she walks down the street. She greets her neighbors with a warm, "Good morning." For example, she stops to say hello to Mr. Smith, who is busy watering his garden. On her way to the bus stop, Emma listens to soft, cheerful music on her phone. The music makes her feel light and happy, and soon the bus arrives. Emma steps onto the bus and finds a seat by the window. As the bus moves along, she watches the trees, cars, and other people starting their day. The bus ride is quiet, yet full of little moments. Emma sees many people, some reading, some talking, and others simply enjoying the view outside the window. The familiar routine of the bus ride makes her feel connected to the city and its people. When Emma reaches her stop, she thanks the bus driver with a friendly smile and steps off the bus. A short walk brings her to the community center. where she has planned to work on a creative project. The center is filled with bright light and a feeling of teamwork. Inside, Emma meets her friend Sam. "Good morning, Emma," Sam exclaims happily when he sees her. They share a warm greeting and a few kind words about the day ahead. The community center is lively today, as several friends gather to plan an art exhibition that celebrates creativity and local culture. At lunchtime, Emma and Sam take a break at a nearby cafe. They order healthy sandwiches, fresh salads, and fruit juice. Over lunch, they chat about their hobbies. Sam talks about his love for painting, while Emma shares her passion for music. They laugh and plan future projects, enjoying the simple pleasure of a shared meal. After lunch, Emma returns to the community center to help with the art exhibition. Together with her friends, she hangs colorful paintings and arranges small tables for visitors. Each step of the process, from setting up the art to welcoming guests, fills Emma with a sense of accomplishment and joy. When the exhibition opens, visitors arrive to see the beautiful art. They smile and discuss the creativity on display. Emma feels proud to be a part of the project and happy that her morning routine led to such a fulfilling day. At the end of the day, Emma returns home, feeling tired but content. Once home, she takes a warm shower and changes into comfortable clothes. Later, she prepares a simple dinner and sits by the window to watch the sunset. The sky turns a gentle mix of orange and purple as night approaches. Before going to sleep, Emma writes in her notebook about the day's special moments. "Today was a good day," she writes. "I woke up, enjoyed a healthy breakfast, met good friends, and learned that every moment is important." With these kind thoughts, Emma turns off the light and drifts off to sleep, ready to greet another beautiful morning tomorrow.